A very warm and pleasant evening to one and all present here. Myself Ishan of grade 5. I am standing here to discuss on the topic of consequences of a war. A war is an around conflict between nations and groups involving armies and weapons. If we don't tackle it, then its consequences are very deadly. A recent example of a war is a conflict between Iran and Israel. Due to the political tension and issues, political issues have become the main reason to war. This reason can take many lives of the innocent people and destroy many its cities and bases. Is Thank you. Have a nice day.
A very warm and pleasant morning to one and all present here. Myself, Aryan Maurya from Standard 5th. Today I got a golden opportunity to say my thoughts about the consequences of war. War brings destruction to not cities but many humans' life and their futures. Many families are torn apart and countless lives are lost. It makes psychological scare for the last generation. Millions of houses turns into battleground. The latest example of consequences of war is Iran and Israel war. Thank you. Have a nice day.
A very warm and pleasant morning to one and all present over here. This is Adnan Fajji of grade 5th today present here to discuss about on a very critical topic, consequences of war. Consequences of war, a reality that always continue to haunt humanity. War does not only affect soldiers or battlefield, it brings long-term suffering for the civilians, destroys economics, destroys infrastructure, and leaves behind a trauma that lasts for generations. A recent example is the growing conflict of Iran and Israel. What started as a political tension has escalated into violence from which hundreds of innocent lives were lost, cities under an attack, and fear spreading through borders. War does not only affect two nations, it threatens to destabilize the entire region, affecting global peace and security. In the end, war leaves behind ruins of building, of hope, and of humanity. That is why we must raise our voice for peace, for dialogue, and for a future without war. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you, respected principal, teachers, and all dear my friend. My name is Piyush Singh from class 4. Today my topic is consequences of war. Consequences of war means lose of life and dispartment of our house. First, life is a suffering. Life or lose is suffering for. War means the each other, and thank you.
Good morning to all of you, respected teacher, principal, and all my dear friends. My name is Ayush Kesi from Standard 5th. Today we discuss about on the topic of consequences of war. One's consequences are devastating for reaching impacting not only immediate concerns but also civilians' economy and society for generations. Loss of lives, physical and biological traumas, devastating and displacement of population. It most sufficient. Thank you.
A very good morning to everyone. This is Aisha Pervez, a proud student of class 5th. Today I want to take something very important, consequences of war. Consequences of war. War is fought between countries or groups. They have severe effect on people, the environment. There are some key points to to the consequences of war. First, loss of life. Many people die in wars, including soldiers and civilians. Second, destruction of property. Building, road and home are destroyed. Third, injury and trauma. Many people get injured and some suffer from long trauma. Fourth, economic losses. Economic losses. And fifth is environment damage. That's all for today. Heartful thank you from Aisha to remaining competitors.
As I begin, it's a pleasure to introduce myself. Myself, Diksha Maurya from class 5th, and I am here today because I believe in the power of words and idea. I will discuss on the very important and very critical topic is curious of war. War is the destination of human trial destination of trauma. It will make the ague of it. War is core. It is a definition and destination. It will be create and groups. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Good morning everyone. I am Alishba Ansari of grade 5th and today I will be discussing about something very serious, which is consequences of war. The first thing that I have to discuss is the impact of war. The immediate fact is about we live once. War results only destruction and the breakage of millions of family member bonding. War leads our society back in time when it was get developed. It destroys the buildings, get flat, and people of our society get killed. Some become homeless and orphan or widow and widower. Now let's take an example of war. I'm taking Palestine and Israel war, in which many children cries for their loved ones and parents cries for their ill and lost and dead children. In the end, I have a question. Why everyone fight? They cannot live without fighting. In the end, I will also say that please don't fight, because if you don't end the fight will end you. That's all for Alishba to the remaining competitors.
A very warm and pleasant morning to one and all present here. This is Anand Kumar from Standard 5th. Currently I study in CBSE competitive school, and today I want to discuss about a critical topic on consequences of war. War could maybe the social, political and psychology factor. Losses of war. After the war, the bloodshed is changed the mind of that's something.
A very warm and pleasant morning to all of you respected teachers, principal and all my dear friends. Today I got a chance to share my experience on the topic of consequences of war. War has devastating in consequences, including means loss of life, destruction of infrastructures like buildings, hospitals and houses and other needed things. Economic hardship like war disrupt human trade and other economic activities and agriculture. Displacement of people, humanitarian emergencies, creating refugee crisis. It also lead to political instability. It disrupts social and cultural structures. It displacement of people like humanitarian emergencies and humanitarian emergencies. It creates roofy crisis. Thank you.
A wonderful morning to one and all present here. I am Ahna from grade 5th and today I am standing here to discuss about on a very important topic, which is take life of many soldiers, civilians, humans, children, people and families. So our topic is consequences of war. First and foremost, war bring unimaginable human suffering. Soldiers lost their life and civilians, especially humans and children. Beyond life lost, war destroy and economic schools, hospitals, colleges, roads and home. War is destroy of our life and environment. And finally, war decade division and hatred between the two people. Could you like a longer version or a specific trailer of a speech audition? Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Prem Sagar Raj from class 4. Today my topic is consequences of war. War result is in the traffic of lives, countless lives. Both the military person and country war to death by the destruction of homes, hospital and a school and other vitals.
A very warm, pleasant and evening to all present were here. This is Saurav Kumar from Standard 5th, currently I study CBSE Competitive School. Today we are going to discuss about consequences of war. Wars arise from a complex interplay of political, economics and social and physical factors. These consequences imagines human sufferings and political and long-term environmental damage. There are two effects of very dangerous effects of us: loss of life and physical changes, injuries. Wars arise for the physical civilings behind the live in the horrors and political economics. Physical injuries. The physical injuries and armies to first aids and civilities and abilities and whole list and thank you for having us today.
Good morning to all of you respected principals, sir, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Daksh Kumar. Today my topic is consecutive of war. War in discussion in the year in 2025, Iran versus Israel. That's all. Thank you. Good morning to all of you respected teacher, principal and all dear my friend. My name is Samar Kumar from Standard 5th and today I am going to golden opportunity to share my experience on the topic of consequences of war. War destroy our life and various city and important industries. War, as we know that war takes many dead for people like W1 and W2. That's all. Thank you.
First of all, a very good morning to all of you respected teachers, principals and all dear my friend. This is Ayushi and from grade 5th. Today I am chance to share my experience on the topic of consequences of war. The war is between nations and group and involving armies and weapons. The consequences of war is far-reaching, devastating, impacting not only the impacted participants and to the long effects of society. Nowadays, we can see the two countries war, Iran and Israel. A great deal more to be done the work. That's thank you.
First is the very good morning to all of you, respected teachers, principal sir, and all my dear friends. My name is Raghavendra Patel, Standard 5th. Today my topic is consequence of war. The war is a round conjunct area between group and the group nation between is the between involving armies in the consequence of war. Consequence of war. It is the research of deploying in the immediate of in the only of have is Iran. They get of the great man of the we work the hope the hard work. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Swavan Said from class 5th. Today my topic is consequences of war. Consequences of war. That's the full topic. Would me to focus on the economics and or if respect and mabel is the thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, judges and fellow competitors, I am Palak of grade 5th and currently read on CBSE competitive school. Today I am here to discuss about a critical topic, consequences of war. War result of the lead of reading of latest tries and mailing personal and syllabus. War leads to destroys homes, hospital, school and other visitor place. Many people flee their house because destroy your work and finish your work. That's all. Thank you for your attention.
Good morning to all of you, respected teacher, principal and my dear friend. My name is Krishna Yadav from Standard 5th. My topic of consequence of war. Warland to see many sugar of from. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Aditya Yadav from class 5. Today I am here to deliver a morning speech on the topic of consequences of war. It leads to immense loss of life, physical and destruction and economic devastation. The economic suffers and economic experience emotional pain. That's all. Thank you. Honest.
Good morning everyone. Myself Swavan Kumar from Standard 5. I am standing here to say something about the conservation of war.
Good morning to all of you, respected teachers, principals, and all dear my friends. My name is Ayan Stras from class 5th. Today, my topic is consequences of war. There are two main types. First, win, and second, loss. Example: Jallianwala Bagh Hatyaकांड in 1919. To firing in major dire. Always the war result in very painful. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Divyanshu Pandey, class 5th. Today my topic is consequences of war. Consequences of war is known as war. Was excited between 1638 and 1639 by Peter Paul Revin in oil canvas. It was painted by Ferdinand Medici. Thank you. Have a nice day.
I want to thank the Air VCL who gave a golden opportunity to say something about it topic of consequences of war. My name is Kunan Ansari of Standard 5th. I read in class 5th. Today my topic is consequences of war. The conflict between Israel and Iran is more than a regional dispute. It's a flashpoint with global consequences. The war between Israel and Iran is very weak because the Israel helped him, America helped him, and the people, let us hope, the people on both sides, the Israel Prime Minister is Mr. Proxy Wars and the Iran Prime Minister name is Mr. Nuclear Ambition. Let us hope on both people's safety. That's it. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Very warm and pleasant morning, one are all present here. I am Goldie Kumari from class 5th. Today I will talk about a critical topic constituted of war. War are to the home, school, hospital and airport. Many people are consecuted. Thank you.
A lovely good morning to all of you. I am Simran Kumari from Standard 4. Today my topic is consequences of war. First, war is the loss of. Thank you.
Good morning to the respected teacher, principal. Good morning to the respected teacher, principal, earlier my friend. My name is Waris Khan, standard class 5. Today I am going to start the topic of consequences of war. Consequences of war and Israel or Iran. Bomb, barud, goli, sixer, and lovely evocation of bomb and creation. The consideration of where that two more about. That's it. Thank you. Nice day.
Good morning to all of you, respected teacher, principal, and all dear my friends. My name is Adarsh Maradi, class 5. My topic is consequences of war. War results in the tragic loss of. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you, respected teachers, principal, and all my dear friends. My name is Pratham Singh. I read in class 4, and today I am here to deliver a morning speech on the topic of consequences of war. War is a very essence of night was things that for some has ninth. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Samir Gosia, standard class 5th. Today my topic is consequence of war. The consequence of the war is the Iran or Israel. Israel is the many the regulation discuss. Is the first point is the many globe is the consequence. Thank you. Have a nice day.
A very warm and pleasant morning to all of you. My name is Prajit from Standard 5. Today I am delivering a short speech on the topic of consequences of war. Consequences of war is the lead dead, some and. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Very good morning to all of you, respected teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Shivam Kumar. Today my delivery speech on the topic of consequences of war. A war that the army involving group of armies and the weapons. A war is very harmful for the peoples and dangerous for this country. America attacked to the Iran. Thank you.
Very good morning to all of you. My name is Arslan Ansari from class 4. Today my topic is the way of say people Iran and thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to very present here. My name is Satyam Kumar. I stand in class 5. Today my speech on the topic of constitution of war is there for they is America to they back is the stop can before after. Called is a people the means school of in hospitals they are called. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you, respected teacher, principal, and all my dear friends. My name is Srish Singh from class 5. Today my topic is consideration of war. War lead to death many people, and many persons, and it affects so injuries become. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Prince Panap from class 5. Today my topic is a conjugation of war. Grassland in the tropical is the tropical conjugation of war. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you, respected teacher, principal, and all dear my friends from class. My name is Chayasan from class 5th. Today I am delivering speech. Completion of war of people or things. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you, respected teacher, principal, all my dear. My name is Yam Samrat from class 5. Today my topic is consequences of war. Consequences of war injuries our families in become. Thank you.
First of all, a very warm and evening to all of you. Myself, Sabni for Standard 5. Today I am short pitch on the critical topic of the consequences of war. The country has between many years. Many people, the for everywhere. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you, respected teacher, principal, all my dear friends. My name is Ruth Marma, standard 5th. My topic name is the role of waj. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you, respected chairperson, principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Ayush Kumar from Standard 5. My topic on communication of war. War is around of Israel and Iran. That's thank you very much. So first of all, lovely morning to all present here. I am a magic class 5. Today a topic of consensus of war. War is around consensus of war. Deal for today consensus of war. Thank you. Honestly. Good morning to all of you, respected teachers, principal, and all my dear friends. My name is Avani Kumari Mishkin. My topic is communications of war. Communications of war is a very important. The communications of war economic event, human surface in economic. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Sarthak Kesari from class 5th. I today delivered sequences of war in enhance sequences of war in
Good morning to all of you, respected teachers, principal, all my dear friends. My name is Ajat Kumar. My topic is consecutive of war. War is an around between national and researching army and wars. Thank you.
First of all, a very warm and present here. Myself, Arkam Ansari from Stand 5th. Today I am here to share my perception on very important topic. Created a circumstance of distraction that is Iran and Israel war. Iran and Israel both are most powerful country.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Yatika. I study in grade 5 and I'm here to represent and speech. And my speech topic is consequences of war. War results in the tyranny of laws for countless people. Both military personnel and civilians lead the destruction of homes, schools, hospitals, and other virtual, in fact, structures. Many people are forced to flee their home and become refugees due to violence of war. Thank you and have a nice day.